You are welcome to this class. Today I am going to deal with the concentration of solution. Yesterday we have studied about the nature of true solutions. We have seen that true solutions are those solutions which have a stability, means when they are left undisturbed, the solute particles do not settle at the bottom, as well as they can pass through the filter paper, do not exhibit Tyndall effect, means their particles do not scatter light when passed through it, and the size of the particles is of the order of the atomic size or the molecular size, that is of the order of 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. So when a strength of a solution is required, that is, some solutions may be more concentrated, some may be less concentrated, but this is only the qualitative statement. When we add excess amount of solute in a given solvent, we get the concentrated solution, and if very little amount of solute is present in the solvent, then we say that it is the less concentrated or dilute solutions. But this is not a actual strength of the solution. So in order to express the strength of a solution, we express this strength in terms of concentration. There are various methods of expressing the strength of solution. There may be percentage concentration, there may be molar concentration, equivalent concentration, that is also known as normal concentration, or the molar concentration. Here we are interested to study about the percentage concentration. First of all, define what is concentration of a solution. So concentration of a solution is defined as the amount of solute in a given amount of solution. Amount of solute in a given amount of solution. This amount may be mass or volume. Or we may express concentration of solution as the amount of solute divided by amount of solution. This is the general concentration of a solution. But if we want to express the concentration in 100 parts of the solution, then we say that it is percentage concentration. So percentage concentration means the amount of solute present in the 100 parts of the solution. 100 parts of the solution. That is amount of solute by amount of solution into 100. Amount of solute into amount of solute by amount of solution into 100. This is called percentage concentration. Now percentage concentration may be expressed in three different forms. That is percentage concentration mass by mass, percentage concentration mass by volume, and the percentage concentration volume by volume. First of all, consider percentage concentration mass by mass. What does it mean? It means what is the amount of solute present in 100 parts of the solution by mass. Means if the given amount of or the mass of solute is present in 100 parts of the solution, then we may express the percentage concentration as mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. Mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. Suppose that 20 grams of salt, means common salt, is present in 100 gram of solution. 20 gram of salt is present in 100 gram of solution. It means what? It means the concentration of solution is 20 by 100 into 100 means 20%. It is called 20%. If 50 gram of solute is present in 100 gram of solution, then it is called 50%, because 50 by 100 into 100 equal to 50. So 50% concentration. So this is the concentration or the percentage concentration mass by mass. Now another way of expressing the concentration of solution is mass by volume. Means the amount of solute present in the given volume of a solution. Here solute is expressed in mass and solution in volume. Means the amount of chemical substance soluble in water or other solvents, so soluble in solvents. So mass of solute divided by volume in which that mass is present into 100. Suppose that X gram of solute is present in V volume of solution, then its percentage concentration mass by volume will be X by V into 100. This is expressed by this equation: mass by volume concentration, mass of solute by volume of solution into 100. The third way of expressing the concentration may be volume by volume. There are certain solvents which are taken in terms of volume, just like when the solute is in a liquid form. Suppose that alcohol, ethanol, is dissolved in water. It is water soluble. So when certain amount of alcohol is present in the given volume of solution, then how do we express the concentration of this solution? It may be expressed in terms of volume by volume. So this is known as volume by volume concentration. That is volume of solute by volume of solution multiplied by 100. So the percentage concentration volume by volume equal to volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. So these are the three ways by which we can express the percentage concentration of a solution. Now you may calculate the percentage concentration if the data is given to you. Suppose that